Hello and welcome. Paul Percy is my name, and I'm going to be the instructor for Introduction to the Web Design and Social Media Marketing. If you're here, welcome. Means you're going through the course content and the material that's been put online. This course itself, it's like I said, it's an introductory course. We'll be looking at the principles of web design. Students will also investigate the unique challenges involving web design, including the introduction of social media. This is a fully an online course that you need a good internet and a good computer to be able to go through the courses successfully. It is my expectation that you spend a minimum of 9 hours per week on the course content and manage your time effectively. If you're looking into other web authoring courses, that where you do it gives an expansive view and expansive coding on web design. You may want to look into CIS 195 for the web authoring. You can also be looking into web production at 289 or web design concepts at 290. So these are some of this. You may also want to do a little bit of investigation on the course materials on Lane Community Colleges. There are a lot of them out there, so you may want to look into that to see what you actually fits what you want to do. So if you're here and this is your first time of using Moodle, I'm going to walk you through how to use the learning management system. And here, everything goes here in order. It's been organized in blocks. On your left hand side, the left pane has the participants. You see who the folks you are in class with. You click on here, you'll be able to see your grades. This puts you to the general information and general layouts, and this is exactly where we are. And come week one, you click on week one, it will take you through what is required of you in week one. And week one, I'm going to put on another video that walks you through the course content, the outcome, and some of what my expectations and learning outcomes will be. So if you're here, welcome again. So on this side here, if you have a screen as wide as mine, it means you're using a monitor as big as 27 inches. But if you have like a small screen, this course management system is designed to be responsive. So when you click on this guy, it expands or contract depending on what you're looking for. So like I said, here you start from here, and then you navigate all your way from top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom, same thing, top to bottom, so you don't miss anything. But where I want to point things out is how you contact me. I have my office hours here, and my office hours for this class are on Fridays from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. This is strictly by an appointment. You can either do this on Zoom, or you want to meet in person, then I'll meet you in your office to be able to go over some of these things. If you have other learning disabilities, I suggest that you check in with the Center for Academic Learning, and they will help you through as to how to navigate some of these things. So keep that in mind. So like I said, from top to bottom, if there are any announcements that you need for the class, I'll be posting them here. And do well to revisit and review your emails, because anything online, I do that by communicating through the system, and it comes through your emails. So be diligent with your emails. Any changes or anything may come through your email. And you also want to click on here to see what goes on here and stuff like that. So please pay attention to some of these things, and so you don't fall behind. Here I have this is basically what we do in the course orientation, that if you click on this guy, it also helps you to navigate what this course is about, and some of the basic technologies, computer skills, and things that you meant. I will leave this part to you for you to investigate and do some of these things for yourself. So to jumping back to what I was saying, What I want you to pay particular attention is the notebook here, the syllabus notebook. It has course contact information and everything that needs to be for you to know. And when you navigate through here, it also helps with the core concept and stuff like that. Here you come through the learning outcomes. You read for yourself, go in there, digging deeper, and be conversant with what is required of you. And one thing that I also want to point out, some of these orientation concepts may come in your first week quiz, so pay attention to what you're doing, and it will help you in doing some of these things. On this page is my biography, a little bit about me, and things that I do and what I do. So here basically brings you to the course schedule, and course schedule I've linked it to an external HTML, and everything is done weekly. So this can serve as a guide for you to see what is required of you for the week, the course overviews, the reading and research that you need to do, quizzes, and assignments. So everything horizontally is organized weekly, so you see what is required and expected of you. So moving forward, see here, come back here, some of the general basics, things that you need to see or need to do. So here, this is where we were. If you have any questions like Q&A, you have questions that you need to be answered on the forum, you can add whatever it is over here that you want to talk about. You click on it, it drops down the key question, and you can narrate some of the things that you need for everyone. Maybe you may have a question that pertains to some people in class you may not know. So things to help us to be both successful in class. So again, with this, I want to welcome you to Intro to Web Design and Social Media. My name is Percy Apau. Look out for the next content that I'll be posting for week 1. Thanks for joining us.